Good morning, children. Welcome back. We will move to our next topic of coastal plains of chapter 14, and that topic is on page number 109 of your textbook. Okay, now what is the definition of coastal plains, or we will explain what is coastal plains. Coastal plains are geological features found around the world and on both the eastern and the western coast of India. These coastal plains are characterized by an area of flat, low-lying land that is situated adjacent to a water body, often near the sea or the ocean. It is also of note that coastal plains are separated from the interior of the larger land mass by other unique features. Coastal plains have limited vegetation. Okay, we will not see much of big forest areas or more number of trees, but however we can say grasses and few number of trees can be seen over in these areas. The coastal plains of India are relatively expansive regions which contribute significantly to the geography of the region. Here, now in this image, you can see the pink area, we can say towards the peninsular India. Okay, the pinkish part is being shown in as the coastal area, right from Gujarat till Orissa. The Great Peninsular Plateau is flanked by narrow coastal strips on both the western and the eastern sides along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. They are known as coastal plains. Now, the total coastline of India is around 4,500 kilometers. In this image, you can see over here, all this is the coastal line shown in white. Okay, it is around 4,500 kilometers. Now, these coastal plains can be divided into two, the west coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains consist of narrow strip of land in the western part of India between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Here in this bigger image, you can see over here the Arabian Sea and the peninsular India. In between these, okay, we have got the Western Ghats. Now, along with the Western Ghats, we can say towards the west of Western Ghats, between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea lies the area of the coastal plains. Now, these coastal plains extend from Gujarat to the north to the south in Kerala. It is a narrow plain whose width varies from 50 to 80 kilometers. The west coast plains are smaller when compared to east coast plains. Okay, and these west coast plains are divided into four parts: Gujarat coastal plains, Konkan coastal plains, Kannada coastal plains and the Malabar coastal plains. But according to your book, you will see they have divided into just two. Okay, here we have got Goa. Okay, so towards the north of Goa, we have the Konkan coastal plains, and towards the south of Goa, we have got the Malabar coastal plains. Now we'll move to the eastern coastal plains. Now, the east coastal plain is a wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, here we have got the Eastern Ghats, Bay of Bengal over here. So, the area between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal is known as the East Coast Plains. Now, again, these East Coast Plains are also divided. Okay, here we have got the Mahanadi River. Okay, the region between the Mahanadi River and the Krishna River is known as the North Sirsar Plain or the North Sirsar Coastal Plain, and the region between the Krishna River and the Kaveri River, okay, it is known as Coromandel Coast. So, the eastern coast is divided into two, the North Sirsar and the Coromandel Coast. Now, over here, large rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow in these regions. over here you will see, if you go through the atlas, you will see over here Chilka lake is there, and it is an important lake in the east coast. Okay, and it is considered as the largest saltwater lake in India. Here on the east coast plains you will find many delta regions also. Now what is a delta area? A delta is a low triangular landform of alluvial deposits at the mouth of the river, where that river flows into an ocean or a large body of water. Okay, all this was about the coastal plains in India, a very small topic. Go through, and this answer can come up in 1 or 2 marks. Thank you, children.